Investing in apartments can be lucrative, but responsible investors prioritize fair housing. This means treating all applicants equally, regardless of race, religion, or other protected characteristics. Discrimination is not only unethical, it's illegal. By understanding and following fair housing laws, you protect your business and contribute to a more just rental market. This guide breaks down key aspects of fair housing for apartment investors. We'll explore the Fair Housing Act, objective screening methods, and staff training. Remember, compliance is an ongoing commitment. Stay informed and proactive in creating a fair and welcoming environment for all potential renters. By adhering to fair housing principles, you build a stronger business and contribute to a more equitable society. Let's delve into the essential elements of fair housing compliance. The Fair Housing Act is a federal law prohibiting discrimination in housing. This landmark legislation ensures everyone has equal access to housing opportunities. It's crucial for apartment investors to have a solid understanding of this act and its implications. The Fair Housing Act identifies 7 protected classes: race, color, religion, national origin, sex, familial status, and disability. This means landlords cannot refuse to rent to someone, charge them higher rent, or offer different terms and conditions based on these protected characteristics. Discrimination can be subtle. For example, steering families with children to certain units, or making assumptions about an applicant's financial stability based on their national origin are violations. Understanding the nuances of the Fair Housing Act is essential to avoid unintentional discrimination. Establishing objective screening criteria is crucial for fair housing compliance. This means using the same standards for all applicants regardless of their background. Rely on concrete factors like income, credit history, and rental references. Develop a clear and consistent screening process. Document all criteria and apply them uniformly. Avoid making exceptions or relying on gut feelings. This helps ensure fairness and protects you from potential discrimination claims. Transparency is key. Clearly communicate your screening criteria to all applicants. Provide a written explanation if you deny an application based on your established standards. This openness promotes fairness and builds trust with potential renters. Fair housing compliance is a team effort. It's not enough for you to understand the law. Your staff must also be well-versed in fair housing principles. This includes anyone involved in interacting with applicants, showing units, or processing applications. Provide regular training on fair housing laws, your screening process, and how to interact respectfully with all applicants. Role-playing exercises can be particularly effective in helping staff navigate real-life situations. Document all training sessions and require staff to acknowledge their understanding of fair housing policies. Consistent training reinforces your commitment to fair housing and equips your team to uphold these essential standards.